Morning.
Morning. Sun's rising.
Sun is rising. That was like the coldest night we've ever had.
Yeah. Very well all day. It's
I think it was like -10 or something.
cold.
But that's where we're going. Ooh. See herders up there.
Yeah. I'm gonna go up there later.
Is the pass to the left of that peak?
Yeah. I think the lowest part of that area.
Okay, let's go. So quiet.
Has he got a bit of blue on his head?
Don't know.
Let's go for the view.
Made it.
We made it. Oh,
So crazy. That's where we were.
oh, the path's over there.
Huh? Yeah, we've made it. Woohoo.
Woohoo! Good job, boy. Sit.
So little water left.
So you want water too?
How do I give him water?
Or
Got so little water left.
no. Ah! Wasted out water. For your loyalty?
He wants a cashew.
Yeah. What if I do this? I train him to sit. Sit!
Wow. First glimpse of Rainbow Mountain. That's awesome. You see it? You made it, doggy boy. You made it.
We made it, doggy boy.
Do you feel like crying?
Yeah.
Like a Colombian. It's actually like a lot more epic than I thought it was going to be. My expectations were so low. Now that we're here, it's like so awesome. One of the best things I've ever seen.
Wow. Hashtag tourist trap.
And it was so hard to get here.
I know.
But now we need to cross the valley and climb up. We can beat the tourists. It's 8:15. Descending towards Rainbow Mountain. I hope he doesn't try to eat those ducks. We can gather water here. Yay! I'm so thirsty. Close. Heaps close. I can see it there. like a brain mode. Wow, it looks really cool from here though. Right, doggy? How do you feel?
I feel really accomplished considering you're going to bail out, and
Yeah.
there was this concern of like, should we keep going? Should we go? We wasted our time. We were like around that circuit over there.
Yeah, you can see what that is, the pass.
The pass
That's where we came through.
pass is over there. It doesn't look
See the
very
first
high.
red patch?
And then the second pass is over around. You can't see it. But those snow-covered mountains are the Nevada Ausangate, which we were going to circle, and then we made it here. And
But it's worth it.
it's
I
amazing.
think we got the best of both worlds.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm really thankful. Thank God the weather's been good as well.
Yeah, the weather's been fantastic.
Because if the weather was shit, it would have made everything terrible.
Shall we head over there? Try
Yeah.
to hitch a ride.
Yeah.
Okay, ready to leave the circus?
Yeah.
And I think we'll go to the bus down there. Shall we?
Yeah.
Let's go.